Hello everyone, this is SDK and welcome to SDK Garden, Quarantine Gardening episode 6. Today we're gonna germinate beautiful butterfly leaf mustards. As I said earlier in a fenugreek germination video, that I will make a separate video about microgreens. So today is the day to talk about that. First, let's see how do we grow that, and then I will explain what and why about microgreens. So let's start the video. In this video, I'm taking mustard seeds because those are easily available in kitchen. You don't have to go out to try microgreen. Take any container with soil and just spread the seed on top of and add soil to save it from direct exposure to light. Some people also grow without soil, that is water propagation. If the containers and setup is ready with you, then you can go ahead. But for beginners and for best results, also soil is perfect. Keep the soil moist always. Within 3-4 days, you will see leaf coming out of soil. As I covered with tissue, leaf a little bit yellowish. Once I expose it to light, it will turn to green. Most people don't like the soil propagation because when you harvest the microgreen, you will have to wash it thoroughly because the soil gets in middle. So to avoid that, what I did is I added tissue between the soil and seeds. Roots can penetrate through tissue, so no worries. And then remember to cover seeds again with tissue to protect from light exposure. Yellow mustard took more time for me than black mustard. This took 5 days for me. How many days it took for you? Let me know in comment section below. I just sprayed every day. That's it. Within a week, you can harvest the green. See the roots? Those are pretty deep. So this is how we grow microgreens. So now what? What are microgreens? Microgreens are edible immature greens. Can be harvested less than a month after germination. First set of leaves that are seed leaves or cotyledon leaves. These are not true leaf that you see with a mature plant. These are first set of leaf that will come out of the seed. And these are second leaf, those are true leaf. Here you can see seed leaf and the true leaf. Microgreens can be harvested with the seed leaf or maximum first set of true leaf. That's it. That will take less than a month. Third is why. Why should we eat microgreens? Microgreens have a number of benefits depending on what type you are eating, of course, including some big claims like reducing your cancer risk, lowering cholesterol and more. Mustard microgreens contain high level of antioxidants and high in fiber and can help detoxify your liver and blood. A lot of people don't like to eat green leaves. I don't either. Precaution is better than cure, right? So we have to eat it. So that's all about the mustard microgreens. Like and share if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and allow notifications to get next episodes. I will see you tomorrow 4:30 p.m. IST. Bye bye. Thank you so much.